Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a Canadian flag. So let's start the drawing and first draw the outline of the drawing. As you know, the flag is a rectangular, so we're going to draw a rectangle first. For this, first draw a line here, then we can draw a parallel line here. So the shape of the rectangle is going to be the usual shape of a flag. Now let's connect these 2 points here. All right, and 2 points here. Okay, so you can see that the rectangle is done. Now let's put a red color for the separation point. We can use the marker for this purpose. This is the first block, and another block is going to be here. All right, so two side is red. You know there's the uh, leaf or the symbol in the middle, so we're going to draw that symbol now. Okay, this is a symmetric symbol, so both side is going to look like same. Okay, so the symbol is done. Now we are going to fill up some parts which are the usual presentations of the Canadian flag. You can use the color pencil for this purpose. Let's put the red color on both sides. All right. Okay, so you can see the color. This is totally red, this side. We're going to put the red side on the other side too. Okay. Going to fill up the whole space. So the smaller rectangle is filled up with the red color right now. Alright, so you can see that these two sides is completely red. Now we're going to put the color in the middle of this segment. Alright. Okay, so this is it. You can see the Canadian flag in this drawing. I've shown all the steps and the instructions, and you see the step-by-step process. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. You can browse through the playlist for different options and different categories. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the more updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.